Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Weebill S. First, attach the quick release plate to your camera, making sure it's firmly secured. Then, carefully mount your camera onto the gimbal's mounting plate. Before you do anything else, always ensure all three axes, the pan, tilt, and roll, are completely unlocked. This prevents damage and allows for proper balancing. Let's get started with the physical setup. Now let's tackle balancing, which is crucial for smooth footage. Begin with the tilt axis. Move your camera forward or backward until it stays level when tilted. Next, adjust the roll axis by sliding the horizontal arm left or right until the camera remains stable. Finally, balance the pan axis by adjusting the vertical arm. Take your time with each step for optimal performance. A well-balanced gimbal makes a huge difference. With your gimbal balanced, it's time for fine-tuning. Access the Weebill S menu and perform an auto-tune calibration. This optimizes motor strength for your specific camera setup. You can also manually adjust motor strength settings if needed for even smoother movements. Experiment with different follow modes, like pan follow or POV, to find what best suits your shooting style. These steps ensure your footage is incredibly stable and professional. To truly master your Weebill S, dive into its advanced features. Explore the VIA Touch 2.0 system for intuitive control directly from your phone, offering features like object tracking and motion lapse. Consider adding trans mount accessories, such as the focus/zoom motor or the image transmission module, to unlock even greater versatility and creative possibilities. These additions can elevate your filmmaking significantly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home tech. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.